Welcome back to my channel. You're watching HQ BMW. My name is Jeff. So tomorrow the E92 has to go in for an oil change, and I'm getting the winter tires swapped over so that I can be prepared for any more snow. Obviously the snow that we got on Saturday that I showed you guys is gone. It's plus 14 Celsius today. I'm not sure what that translates into Fahrenheit, maybe 60, 55. Anyways, it's a pretty nice day today, so no winter tires were needed for this morning driving to work. Just got home from work, took the dog for a quick walk, and now we're going to get the winter tires packed into the E92 so I don't have to do it first thing in the morning, as we have an early appointment for 7 o'clock. So let's get at it.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Okay, there we got it. Tires loaded in the E92, ready to go tomorrow morning for our 7 o'clock appointment. Get the oil changed, get the tires put on, and not sure what else service is going to be required, but we're going to find out once we get there in the morning. So keep on watching. I'll take you bright and early tomorrow morning with me. Good morning. Here we go. It is 6:30 in the morning. We got the tires in the back. Everything's ready to go, packed up. Let's go grab a coffee, and then we'll go hit the BMW gallery, and maybe we'll see what's in the showroom, and we'll show all you guys. Maybe find a car that we want to buy next. Here we go.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get.
Okay, we got our coffee. Now we can hit the road, get to the BMW gallery, and get this puppy dropped off. Let's go.
I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Okay, so we're here at the gallery. We're just a little bit early. That's just me. I'm always 5 minutes early. If not, I feel late. So we'll just sit here for a little bit until they open up the doors and let us in. We'll get checked in, drop the car off, and then go from there. Stay tuned. We're at the gallery. You guys got to check out this M4. The color is just incredible. All carbon fiber. I love those wheels. Don't know if you can see that. And then there's a new M5. I'm kind of digging the M5 with the white and the carbon fiber roof. Comment below which one you guys would take.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight, the world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories, now the sun's gone down. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
So here's an M2 wrapped in satin PPF. You guys have noticed on my taillights, this is where I actually got the inspiration from. M2, maybe you guys want that one. Here's the price tag. If you're interested in any of these, come to Rada at the BMW Gallery.
Your touch so soft, not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you, don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight, the world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories, now the sun's gone down. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
So the car's all done. They swapped the tires over, changed the oil, and they actually did a brake flush as well. It was going to be due in January, so I figured we'll just get it done now, and then I don't have to worry about it. Hopefully I have no more servicing until next spring, summer. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the BMW Gallery driver to come and pick me up. We'll go get the car and we'll talk about what they did. Well guys, there you have it. We got the car back. Winter tires are put on. What did they do today? So they mount and balanced the winter tires on the rims. So they had to take the summers off, put the winters onto the rims, mount and balanced, and then they put the winters or the summer tires, bagged them and put them back into the car. I just dropped them off in the garage. And then they did an oil change, and let's see what else. And they did the brake fluid flush, and then I had Kurt again working on my car, so that was pretty awesome. And they also did the blower regulator warranty recall, so that the wires that were causing a fire in the BMWs, they did that recall as well. So all the recalls are up to date, the fluids have been changed, winter tires are on. I'm happy the car's ready for winter time, so we're good to go. Kurt also went through the entire car again to make sure and see if anything is wrong. He said the car is in really good shape, just got to take care of the two fluids. You take care of the car, it's going to take care of you. So yeah, it's a bit of cost with upfront maintenance, but in the long run, the money you spend today on servicing your vehicle, it's just gonna save you from having so many more problems later on down the road. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, M4 or M5. Which one would you guys choose? Peace.